How to add payment method on Ads Manager. So if you want to add a payment method or a card on your Ads Manager, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, make sure that you are on your page. Now here on the left side, you will have Ads Manager. Just simply go with the Ads Manager. And once you click on it, it will launch the Ads Manager. And after that, here on the left side, you will have add payment method option. But if you don't find the add payment method option, then you can just simply go with the upper left, which will have that three horizontal lines. And you can go with the business settings, and under your business settings, you will have the option. Or you just need simply go with the billings and payment option, which will be right here. And once you go with it, then you'll be able to add the payment method. So here you need to click on add payment method, which is on the left side, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you can just simply go with the business location and currency and business and tax info, and you can add your payment method. So you can also go with your PayPal or debit or credit card. So I'll just simply choose a debit or credit card, go with claim, and here you need to go with the name of the card and then the card number, the month and year, the expiry date, the CVV number. After adding the information, go with save, and your debit or your credit card will be saved. That's how you can add your payment methods on your ad manager. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.